When you're dealing with, when you have humanity and you see that you're in a game where humanity, you're an idiot for having a dignity or just a philosophy that you live by,
an individuality.
You're an idiot. Loyalty in this business.
Oh my God!
If you're loyal to someone in this business, you're a fucking idiot. Anything you do that makes you a decent person normally, in theory, in show business, look. And I'm fucked up. I talk a lot of shit, but I have nothing to fall back on. I've been doing this shit 20 years. I'm hoping I don't open my mouth enough where I can't do a gig in Utah for a couple of bucks so I can fucking keep my ceiling fan turning on.
Yeah.
Other than that big crazy money, people think, oh, he's miserable. I'm not. It's scary, dude. It's scary. Good job, Patrice. I get them shakes when old white people say great job. I'm not.
Good job, Patrice.
You're supposed to hate me. I'm anti you. Now I'm in this party. There's free sushi, some pretty white girl is going, hi, I saw your special. And you go, you idiot. But, you can't do that shit. You got to go, hello, how are you? And